You have a mixed fleet and want all the benefits of cutting-edge guidance technology. Easily upgrade them with AutoTrack Universal 300, our entry-level priced yet truly state-of-the-art guidance solution. You're getting so much more than just parallel lines. Get ready for the future and enter the world of precision farming. With Benchmark's Starfire 6000 receiver technology, fully upgradable at any time. Intuitive touchscreen operation with the most modern Gen 4 AutoTrack features. This Gen 4 display is completely AEF ISOBUS certified for industry-leading implement compatibility. Controlled up to 255 individual sections for site-specific applications and full documentation capabilities and variable rate application as standard features. At any time, you can upgrade to leverage the integrated capabilities of remote display access for instant operator support, or wireless data transfer to connect to the John Deere Operations Center. With the AutoTrack Universal 300 package, you'll make the right investment into your future, putting your business on a path to growth and leaving old limitations behind. The AutoTrack Universal 300 and the 4240 Universal display can be fitted on pretty much any machine. As they are dust and waterproof, they are even approved for use on open operator stations. In just a few minutes, all components can be installed or moved between machines. And if you prefer a fully integrated steering solution over the AutoTrack Universal 300 steering wheel, not a problem. Simply ask your dealer to check the compatibility of your machine with our fully integrated AutoTrack controller solutions. Benefit from premium John Deere guidance convenience. Get ahead with AutoTrack.